Hello again, folks. This is a quick part 3, just a water test to follow up with that last video. So here we are. Everything seems to be watertight. Got the cap on that horizontal drain, and there's the vertical drain with the tap on it, faucet. And listen, I'll shut up for a minute. You can listen to how quiet it is. And I used some Jeweler's Rouge on that decorative crown cap. That came up really nicely. So in spite of it not having a really dramatic arc to the agitation, it's only about maybe it's not 180 degrees. Yeah, 110, 120 degrees maybe. It looks like it's got some really good rollover there. The paddles, or the paddles as I call them, the vanes look like big paddles. They're fairly large. That probably has a lot to do with the efficiency of the agitator. So the Wringer will be going on tomorrow. Paint's drying tonight. There you can see the shaft turning. And then I'll do one more follow-up video with the machine in its entirety. Thanks for watching.